We already know that Globant Enterprise AI Lab offers public tools pre-configured and available by default in each project. But some of these tools require some configuration in order to save the necessary credentials, and in turn, these credentials must be stored securely. Therefore, secrets are a secure way to store confidential data at the project level in Globant Enterprise AI. They are generally used to configure tools and store API keys or other values that should not be visible to all users working on the project. While tool settings are visible to anyone with access to the project, secrets allow protecting specific values by referring to them indirectly. For example, instead of entering an API key in a certain configuration, we can enter a bookmark such as my API key and then create a secret with exactly that name to store the corresponding value there. Note that to create a new secret, we need to have administrator permissions. If we have this profile, we access the corresponding project in the Globant Enterprise AI backoffice and select Secrets. To define a new secret, we click on Create New. This opens the editor where we must define the details of the new secret. In the General tab, we must complete the name, which corresponds to the exact name that will be used as a reference in the configuration of the tool. We must also indicate the value, which corresponds to the confidential value we want to store. For example, the value of an API key. As for the status, it is set to active, which means that the secret is available and can be accessed by the tools that reference it. We can indicate another state if necessary. The possible states of a secret are as follows. Active, which as already mentioned, means that the secret is available and can be used. Inactive, which states that the secret is temporarily disabled and no tool will be able to use it. And revoked, which indicates that the secret is invalidated and should not be used. Once the required fields have been completed, we must save the secret. So we press the Confirm button. Once confirmed, the secret will appear in the secrets gallery of the selected project and will be ready to be consulted from the tool's configuration. Next, we will see the configuration of public tools and apply the creation of secrets.